Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn this into this? It all starts here, in massive fields across the country. Millions of onions are harvested each day using incredible machinery. Each one is carefully pulled from the earth, ready for its journey. From the field, they are loaded up and transported by the truckload. Welcome to the largest onion processing facility in the United States. The journey from raw onion to premium powder begins the moment they arrive. And it starts with an avalanche of fresh, pungent onions. The first step is a rigorous quality check. Only the best make it through. Next, they're sent for a much-needed bath to remove any dirt and debris. High-powered jets ensure every single onion is perfectly clean. Emerging clean and ready, they move to the next critical stage. Before peeling, the tough tops and roots are automatically trimmed off. They are sorted by size to ensure a uniform peeling and slicing process. Now, it's time to lose their outer layers in the automated peeling machines. A combination of abrasion and air pressure removes the skin in seconds. Look at that, perfectly peeled and ready for slicing. A final human touch ensures no peel fragments make it past this point. From here, they are elevated towards the high-speed slicers. These machines house incredibly sharp blades, ready to get to work. And they go, one by one. The blades spin at thousands of RPM, guaranteeing a perfect cut every time. And out comes a waterfall of precisely sliced onions. The slices are spread thinly and evenly to prepare them for drying. Each rack holds hundreds of pounds of sliced onions. And now, it's time to turn up the heat. Inside, carefully controlled hot air begins the dehydration process. Over several hours, nearly all the moisture is removed. Temperatures and humidity are monitored constantly for the perfect result. What went in as fresh onion slices comes out as crispy, dried flakes. These flakes now contain all the concentrated flavor of the onion. From drying, the flakes are moved on to the next stage, milling. As a safety precaution, everything passes through a metal detector first. They are transported to the heart of the powder-making process. This is where the magic really happens. High-speed hammers pulverize the flakes with incredible force. And from the chaos, a uniform, fine powder emerges. The result is a powder so fine, it's like dust. The texture is checked constantly to ensure it meets our strict standards. To maintain purity, the powder is moved in a sealed system. But before packaging, it must be sifted for perfect consistency. The first layer removes any remaining large pieces. It then falls to a finer screen for the next level of refinement. The final screen ensures only the finest, most uniform powder makes it through. Anything that's not perfect is sent back to be milled again. Now, for the final and most important step, quality assurance. Every batch is scientifically tested for purity and safety. Under the microscope, we can see the perfect particle structure. Moisture levels are checked to guarantee a long and stable shelf life. The color has to be just right, a sign of perfect processing. And of course, the ultimate test comes down to taste and aroma. Once it passes every single test, it's finally ready for the world. From the lab, the approved powder is stored, ready for packaging. The final journey is to the automated packaging line. It starts with a roll of our signature packaging. The machine instantly forms, fills, and seals each bag. A precise amount of powder is dropped into every single bag, sealed for freshness and ready to go. Thousands of bags are produced every hour. Every bag is weighed to ensure you get exactly what you pay for. An X-ray scan provides one final, crucial safety check. A robotic arm then carefully boxes them up for shipping. Each box includes a slip confirming it passed all inspections. The boxes are sealed, protecting the product inside. Each box is laser-coated for complete traceability. So the next time you taste that savory onion flavor, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get to your plate.